Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to understand how to create Google Ads leads as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. So as an owner of an e-commerce store, I use Google Ads to generate new leads for my business. And here in this case I want that whenever I'm going to receive new lead through my Google Ads, I want to add the lead received as a subscriber in my email marketing tool, that is Pabbly email marketing. So here doing it manually is a very time consuming task. So now I've planned to automate this entire process using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. As an e-commerce store owner, attracting customers through Google Ads is crucial. So by connecting Google Ad leads to Pabbly email marketing, each potential lead received via Google Ads is added to my subscriber list. And then I can send them personalized offers, product recommendations, and cart reminders, enhancing their shopping experience and encouraging repeat purchases. This saves me the hassle of manually transferring the data and helps me build a connection with potential customers right from the start. It's an efficient way to nurture leads and turn them into loyal customers. So here to automate the entire process, I need to connect my Google Ads with my Pabbly email marketing using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So Pabbly Connect is an amazing automation and integration software, and it connects all your favorite apps and makes them work together seamlessly. You can set it up to do things automatically like updating customer info across platforms or sending notifications when something important happens. It's really easy to use and saves you tons of time that you can spend on more important stuff. Plus it keeps everything organized and error-free so you can focus on growing your business hassle-free. So this is the homepage of Pabbly Connect, and you can visit it by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options, that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get 300 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. Now after signing in, here you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to integrate my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. Now this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here to build my connection I need to create a workflow first. So for that, here I'm going to click on this create workflow button given on the top right corner. Now here in this create workflow dialog box, I have to give a name to my workflow. So here I'm going to give the name as create Google Ads leads as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select the folder as per your need. Also you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now here to learn how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect, you have to click on this learn more hyperlink given over here. And by clicking on this, it will take you to a forum window where you can see all the instructions to how to create a new folder inside Pabbly Connect. So now moving back to my Pabbly's dashboard, and here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards a trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So I'm going to select my trigger application as Google Ads, as I am receiving new leads through Google Ads. So Google Ads is an online advertising platform where businesses can create ads that appear on Google search results and other websites. People use Google Ads to promote their products or services because it helps them reach potential customers right when they are searching for something similar. You can set your own budget, target specific audiences, and only pay when someone clicks on your ad. It's a popular way for businesses to drive traffic, generate leads, and increases sales. So here in my Google Ads trigger step, I'm going to select my trigger event as new lead form entry, so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically Pabbly Connect is going to capture the response. Or you can say or you can say automatically this entire workflow is going to get triggered. And now here, after selecting my trigger event, you can see I've received a webhook URL. That means here I'm going to use this webhook URL to connect my Google Ads with Pabbly Connect. So here, following the instructions given below, here I've already logged in my Google Ads account, and here I'm going to create a test lead form to receive a test response for my Google Ads, because here I'm going to do a test submission and here I'm running a test campaign for my Google Ads. So here I'm going to create a test lead form. So for that, here I'm going to give a business name, that is ABC Store. Scrolling little down, here for the questions I'm going to select the question as name. For the name I'm going to select first name last name. Here for the phone number I'm going to select phone number and the email. So these are the fields that I've selected for my form, and this is how my forms looks like. So I've created a form over here, so I'm going to scroll it little down. And here these fields are not required fields, so here I'm going to leave them blank. And then here you will receive an option for lead delivery option. So I'm going to select it. And here you can see we have received the option for webhook integration over here, where it is asking me to enter the webhook URL and the key. So I need to enter the webhook URL that I've received in my Pabbly's workflow. So I'm going to copy the webhook URL, moving back to my Google Ads, and here I'm going to enter the webhook URL. Now here, after entering the webhook URL, here it is asking me to enter the name for my key. So I'm going to enter the name as test over here, and then I'm going to click on this send test data. So by clicking on this particular send test data, I'm going to receive a test response for my Google lead ad form which I've created just now, so that I can further set up this automation. So here I'm doing a test submission because here I've created a test campaign and the test lead form for the particular setup of this automation. So here I'm going to do a test submission. And here you can see test data sent. So moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here you can see we have successfully received response over here, where we have received the email as test@example.com. Here you can see a random phone number. Here you can see the last name value as last name, first name value as first name, and some other details as well. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger over here. So once we have received a new lead through our Google Ads, I want to add the lead received as a subscriber to my Pabbly email marketing. So for that, here in this action step, I'm going to select my action application as Pabbly email marketing. So Pabbly email marketing is a tool that helps businesses send bulk emails to their subscribers easily. It's known for offering affordable plans with no limits on the number of emails you can send. People use Pabbly because it's simple to create email campaigns, automate follow-ups, and track how well the emails are performing. Plus, it integrates with popular email services and comes with features like list management and personalized email options. Whether you're running a small business or a large company, Pabbly email marketing helps you stay connected with your audience effectively. So here in my Pabbly email marketing action step, I'm going to select my action event as add subscribers, so that whenever we are going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically the lead is going to add as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing. And now here, to connect our Pabbly email marketing with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here, to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your Pabbly email marketing account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here, to build a new connection, it is asking me to enter the token. So I'm following the instructions given below. And here you can see we have received a hyperlink for the developer API window of our Pabbly email marketing account. So I'm directly going to click on this. And here you can see it has successfully taken me to my developer API window of my Pabbly email marketing account. So I'm going to copy this token, moving back to my Pabbly's workflow, and here I'm going to enter the token. Now here, after entering the token, I'm going to click on this save. And authorization successful. So here you can see we are now successfully connected. So moving forward, and then here it is asking me to select the list name. So in this list name field, I need to select the name of the list where I want to create the subscribers. So here in my Pabbly email marketing account, I have a single list with the name default list. So I am going to create a new subscriber in this particular list only. And then here it is asking me to enter the email and the name. So here, instead of entering these details manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that we have received in our trigger step. Mapping makes our text dynamic, so that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So I'm going to map the test email that we have received for our test lead, and here I'm going to map the name. So for the name, I'm going to map the first name first, then I'm going to enter a space, and then I'm going to map the last name. And now here, after entering all the required details, I'm going to click on the save and send test request given over here. And here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new subscriber for the new lead received in our Google Ads in our Pabbly email marketing. So now let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And here you can see we have successfully created a new subscriber with the email as test@example.com and the name as first name, last name. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as Google Ads and our action as Pabbly email marketing. So that whenever we're going to receive new lead through our Google Ads, then automatically the lead is going to add as a subscriber in our Pabbly email marketing tool. Okay, so these were the steps to how to create Google Ads leads as a subscriber in Pabbly email marketing. Now if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. So now if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any query, then you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issue, then you can simply visit our website, that is www.pabbly.com. So now if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.